So many players have moved to the rival clubs in their career. Here are 5 such players who moved to the rival clubs. This is Start of Tech. Come on, let's go into the video. Before going to the video, smash the like button in this video and also subscribe to this channel. Luis Figo. Luis Figo had joined Barcelona in 1995 and scored almost 30 goals for them. In 2000s, he had made a controversial decision in joining Real Madrid, the bitter rivals of Barcelona, for about 62 million, where he won his first ever Ballon d'Or with them in 2000s. He scored about 14 goals with them. He also won his first ever La Liga title with Real Madrid in 2001, and he also won a second in 2003. After spending 5 seasons with Real Madrid, he joined Inter Milan in a free transfer in 2006. He announced his retirement in 2004 Euros after representing Portugal for about 100 games. In 2006 World Cup, he overturned his decision and played for Portugal and also captained the side, which topped the group, and also they beat Mexico and Netherlands in the knockout stages. They even beat England on penalties, but they lose to France in semi-finals of the Euros. His teammate in Real Madrid and Barcelona was the next player. Yeah, you guessed it right, it's R9 Ronaldo. He played for Barcelona and in 1996-97 season, he scored almost 47 goals in 49 matches in all competitions, and he won his first ever Golden Boot with them. The interesting fact is that until 2008, no players had broken the record of scoring about 30 goals in a single season in La Liga. In 1997 summer, he had moved to Inter Milan for a world record fee of about 27 million. He scored about 25 Serie A goals in his first ever season with Inter Milan. In 2002, he joined the Galacticos, where he played along with Zinedine Zidane, Luis Figo, Roberto Carlos, and also he won his first ever La Liga title with Real Madrid in 2001. He won his second ever La Liga title with Real Madrid in 2003. In his 4 seasons of Real Madrid, he was the top goal scorer in every season. He is not only the part of one rivalry, he also played with AC Milan in his career. He won his first ever Ballon d'Or in 1997. In 2007, he joined AC Milan for a fee of about 8.5 million. He was in one of the most hyped trio in AC Milan's history. Yeah, it is Kaká, Alexander Pato and R9 Ronaldo. The interesting fact is that he has not won a single Champions League title in his career, having represented both Real Madrid and Barcelona and also the both Milan clubs. Till now, we have seen players who played for both Milan clubs and also El Clasico clubs. Now, we are heading over to Manchester City and Manchester United. Yeah, you guessed it right, it is Carlos Tevez who played for both the clubs. In 2007, he joined Manchester United on a loan spell from West Ham, where he scored about a banger of goals, and even Sir Alex Ferguson was interested in him to buy permanently. But he decided not to go there, but to go to the bitter rivals Manchester City. In surprise, which made a controversial decision, and also but he won his Golden Boot in the first ever season with them. In his second season, scored a banger of goals in contributing to the Manchester City's first ever Premier League title. Then he joined Juventus in 2012 and almost carried out his form in Serie A also. Now we are heading over to a player who played with both Milan clubs. Yeah, there are more players that played for both Milan clubs, but it is obvious to include him on the list. It is Zlatan Ibrahimovic. He joined Inter Milan in 2006 and almost scored a banger of goals in his first ever season with them, and led his team to win his first ever Scudetto with them in 2006 with 97 points. Then in 2009, he joined Barcelona for a swap deal between him and Samuel Eto'o and a fee of about 58 million. The expectation was so high, but Zlatan has been injured all the time in Barcelona. He appeared only 29 times and scored only 14 goals in his Barca career. Then he was loaned out to AC Milan in 2010-11 season, where he scored about a banger of goals and in second season he joined them on permanent deal where he scored about 28 goals in 32 matches, and he joined PSG on a deal and he scored a banker of goals for them, almost century of goals for them, and then joined Manchester United where he was so average. Now he is playing for Milan again, and even in this season he scored about 25 goals in 37 matches. Now we are heading over to one of the biggest rivalry in the Premier League. Yeah, it is Arsenal Spurs rivalry. Sol Campbell is a player who played for both the clubs. Sol Campbell is youth academy prospect in Spurs and almost captained them and played for them until 2000. In 2000, he joined Arsenal, the bitter rivals of them, in a free transfer. Many of the clubs were interested in him, but he joined Arsenal, which was a controversial move till now. As he wanted to play on a high level, that is Champions League football, he joined Arsenal, but he won his first ever Premier League with them in 2004 in a very fascinating way. Yeah, it is Invincible's way. Without losing even a single game, he won with them the Premier League. He was one of the core members in that starting 11 team of Arsenal in 2004 Invincible season. Smash the like in the video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to Star of Tech for interesting content, and also click the bell icon. Comment on the comment box if you had any ideas for the future videos. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting.